Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Scotch pancakes. They're great for breakfast, snacks or desserts, and they're much easier to make than crepe style pancakes. No tossing required. For your Scotch pancakes you will need
3/4 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 large egg and a tablespoon of sultanas, plus some oil if your pan isn't non-stick. Start by putting the flour in a mixing bowl and making a well in the centre. Add the egg and start to mix together, gradually adding the milk until you have a smooth, thick batter. If you don't have a whisk, just use a fork. These are all jobs your little one can help you with. Stir in the honey and sultanas if you're using them. Add a little oil to your pan over a medium to high heat and wait a couple of minutes until the pan is fully heated. Then drop 4 to 5 separate tablespoons of batter into the pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the underside is golden brown and the top begins to bubble. Turn your pancakes over with a spatula and cook for another 30 to 60 seconds until set. Then transfer to a plate. Keep going until you've used all the batter. Serve warm or cold, either on their own or with toppings of your choice. Enjoy!